Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss an update from my channel. Welcome to my channel. After a really long time, I'm returning back to my channel. It's a shame I haven't been able to do videos as promised, but here I am with a brand new tutorial yet again, and this is the look that I've created today. As you can see, there is absolutely no speck of shimmer on my face, and that should tell you what exactly this video is going to be about. So this video is going to be for all matte lovers. Considering that we are in this humid monsoon weather this time of the year, it's best to keep our makeup as minimalistic and as matte as possible, because glosses, shimmers, creams and that line of makeup just tends to get messy in this weather. So I thought it's best to create a look which is wearable and weather friendly. So this is a look that I've created. It's all matte makeup look, as you can see, and it still looks just as glamorous. It's wearable, it's everyday makeup, and it's so easy to create. So if you are interested in watching this look, please keep watching till the end. So my skin is prepped right now and I'm going to start right away. First, I'm going to start with the eyes, for which I'm using my MAC Cosmetics Pro palette. This is a Pro Concealer palette in medium deep. I'm going to take a fluffy brush like this, and with this color right here, I'm going to prep my eyes for the eyeshadow. So I've prepped my eyelids already for the eye makeup. Next, I'm going to set it with a powder, for which I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder. It doesn't matter what powder you use. Large fluffy brush. I'm going to just going to take a little bit of product and I'm going to dab it across the lid just to set the creamy base. Now before I start this tutorial, I'd like to mark with a loose powder so as to where my eye makeup should end, for which I'm going to use my Ben Eye Banana powder. This is a loose powder, and I'm just going to make like a slight demarcation. So that will be my guideline so as to where the eye makeup should end. For today's tutorial, I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. So to begin with, I'm going to use this color in my crease. This is to define my crease. I'm going to use a large blending brush such as this, and I'm going to apply it on the outer crease area. I'm going to use this deeper plum shade. It's called Saffron, and I'm going to go in with a small blending brush, and I'm going to put it right into the crease this time. Now for the center of the lid, I'm going to take the same cream base that we used earlier. This time with a flat brush, concealer brush, I'm going to take a little bit of product and I'm going to put it on the lid. I'm going to take an angled brush like this. This is an eyeliner brush, and with a deep brown eyeshadow, which is this one, it's called Oud. I'm just going to draw like a line, like a liner with this. Now I'm going to fill in my eyes with a Kohl pencil, for which I'm using this Miss Claire waterproof Kohl pencil. This is a local drugstore product, so it's available everywhere. It's time to fill the brows. eyebrows, for which I'm using the same angle brush again. Now I'm going to start with my base makeup, and then I'll finish my eyes with mascara and a little bit of blending under the eyes. So the foundation today, I'm using the Total Control NYX foundation. This is in color Golden. I'm going to apply a few drops and then start blending it. Concealer, for which I'm using the MAC Cosmetics NC42 concealer, and I'm going to conceal my under eye with this. I'm going to set my entire face with the MAC Cosmetics Studio Fix NC44.5 compact powder again. I'm going to take very little quantity and just dab it all across my face to set the foundation. Now it's time to finish the rest of the eye makeup. First, I'm going to go in with the same color, the dark brown color that we used on the lid, but this time with the pencil brush I'm going to blend the Kohl pencil. Now it's time to highlight the brow bone and the inner corner of the eye, for which I'm using this powder color. It's like flesh tone matte powder, and I'm going to apply it on the brow bones. Don't forget to blend it, guys, and apply a little bit on the inner corner. Now we're going to curl our lashes and finish it with a mascara. Eye makeup. Now we're going to go ahead and finish this look with a little bit of bronzer and blush. So for bronzing, I'm going to use the MAC Cosmetics Shadester. It's my favorite color for bronzing. And at this point, I'm going to skip the highlighter, although I'm really aching to put on a little bit of shimmer on my cheekbones. But no, I'm going to completely resist the urge, because this is like all matte makeup look. So I have no reason why I should put shimmer anywhere on my face. But if you wish to, you can add a little bit of highlighter, but I'm going to not do it, because then it beats the whole theme of the makeup. Lastly, I'm going to add a nice pop of color to my lips, for which I'm using this color by Huda Beauty. This is the Liquid Matte Collection, and this color is called Icon. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial as much as I love making it for you. I know I'm returning to my channel after nearly like a month-long break, and it's not really a good thing, but I'll try not to do that next time. If you enjoyed watching today's tutorial, please do give me a like, comment your feedback and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you're an existing subscriber, thank you very much for your subscription. Do leave your feedback and your suggestions for new videos. I'll make sure I will create content around it. On that note, I shall take your leave, and you take care of yourselves. Until next time. Bye guys.